Initial and final setting time of cement. Having determined the normal consistency of cement, let us now determine the initial and final setting times of cement. The phenomena of setting refers to the start of chemical reaction between cement and water and loss of plasticity of cement paste. Initial setting time of cement is defined as the period elapsing between the time when water is added to the cement and the time at which needle of 1 millimeter square section fails to pierce the test block to a depth of 5 to 7 millimeters from the bottom of the mold. Take 400 grams of cement and place it in the enamel tray. Measure the quantity of water at the rate of 0.85 p times the weight of cement. For example, if normal consistency P of cement is 26%, as in this case, then the quantity of water required will be 0.85 multiplied by 26 divided by 100 multiplied by 400, which is equal to 88.4 cc. Before making the paste of cement with water, fix the 1 millimeter square needle in the Vicot's apparatus. Adjust the indicator at the 0 mark when the needle just touches the glass plate. Lift the indicator and remove the mold. Mix the measured quantity of water with cement and simultaneously note down the time. Fill the Vicot's mold with the cement paste so prepared and level the surface. Place the test block under the needle. Lower the needle till it comes in contact with the surface of the test block and gently release, allowing it to penetrate into the test block and observe penetration. Repeat this step at appropriate time till the needle fails to pierce the test block 5 to 7 millimeters from the bottom of the mold, and note this time. The initial setting time of cement will then be equal to 11 a.m. minus 10:25 a.m., that is 35 minutes. 10:25 a.m. refers to the time when water was first added to the cement. Time for mixing and filling the mold, including testing, should be between 3 to 5 minutes. Final setting time is determined on the similar test block prepared for determining the initial setting time. In this test, 1 millimeter square needle is replaced by a needle with annular attachment of 5 millimeter diameter. Final setting time is defined as the period elapsing between the time when the water is added to the cement and the time at which the needle makes an impression on the test block while the attachment fails to make it. After the elapse of initial setting time, observations with annular attachment are made at appropriate time intervals till the needle makes an impression on the mold while the attachment fails to make any impression. Final setting time will then be equal to the difference between the time the moment water is added to the cement and the time at which attachment fails to make an impression. In this case, final setting time will be equal to 1:30 p.m. minus 10:25 a.m., which is equal to 185 minutes. The final setting time, therefore, indicates the complete loss of plasticity of cement paste. Importance of this property of cement is that the cement concrete or mortar should be molded in its final position before initial setting time, and no movement should be given till its final setting.